Hi everyone, so I'm going to be discussing the Module 8 tools while Maddie's going to be discussing the readings. First off, this week we have our Badge 5, and there's two choices in Badge 5. Both of them are actually very fun. And then we have our Discussion 6. So I'm going to go into the Module 8 overview, the games and gamification, and this just gives a brief introduction. And right here we have a video called The Fun Theory. This can tie back into the classroom, stating that if kids have more games and more opportunities, they will be more willing to learn and participate in class. And right here we have a section basically talking about how a teacher can implement games into their classroom. Gives us a few ideas and examples. And then here are all the readings, and I know that Maddie is going to be talking about these. So I'm just going to slip down to the my favorites part, and this is going to be the tools that you can use for gamification. So first up we have Ed Games, which is actually really cool. I was looking at the UNCW Ed Games page, and there's a bunch of templates you can choose from and download, such as Jeopardy games, Scrabble word games. They also have them separated into holiday games. They also have sports games on there, so it's a very wide variety of options. And at the bottom of this page, there's a link that leads to the Watson Instructional Technology page, just so you can have a little bit more information. Next is Symbaloo Learning Paths, and this allows you to use games when teaching your lesson plans. You can add different questions on here. I'm actually going to go to Find Learning Paths right here just to give you guys an example of what it's going to look like. So as you can see, there's a lot of different options. I just went ahead and clicked a random one. And when you click on it, you'll see that it's in the shape of like a board game. And as you move down the board, you have different questions you have to answer. And the last tool I'm going to be discussing is Classcraft. I feel like this would work best in 4th and 5th grade or in middle school classes because I feel like it appeals to that age group. And this is what Classcraft looks like. It basically lets you put all your students into a game and they can power up, get HP, and gain powers as well for good actions, and vice versa. If they are not doing good actions, they will level down. And I know Maddie's going to be going over the readings, but I just wanted to say that I found this article very helpful. It talks about how to use gaming when it comes to engaging your students, and it also talks about setting goals for your students as well.